Hello children, welcome back once again. I hope you enjoyed the videos of part 1 and 2 of the chapter Seeds and Seeds. Here I am back with part 3 of the chapter. In this part we will discuss about seed dispersal and its various agents, geography of some fruits and vegetables, and some amazing facts about seeds. And we will also talk about carnivorous or insectivorous plants. Before we move forward, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned till now in the previous videos. Children, we have learned that the seed play a vital role in our diet. It may be in the form of food grains, pulses, or dry fruits. Also, we have learned that seed has the potential to grow into a new plant, and this process of growing a new plant from a seed is called seed germination. Children, you know plants are living things like us. They can breathe, eat, drink, and can grow, but they cannot move around like us. Once they grow, they remain at the same place. But do you know their seeds are great travelers? Isn't it amazing? You must have seen some white feathery things moving around in the air. What do you call them in your language? Well, when I was a child, I used to call them budhiya ke baal. I'm sure you too call them the same because they look like that. But do you know they are actually seeds? Now you would say, why does a seed need to travel like that in air? Come, let's find an answer to your question. Children, you know a tree produces many fruits and each fruit has many seeds. If all the seeds fall near the parent plant, they will be crowded and have to compete for all the resources. So it becomes necessary for all the seeds to move away from each other and find a suitable place and conditions so that it can grow into a new plant. Do you remember that in the previous videos we have discussed that all seeds need sunlight, moisture, nutrition and temperature to grow into a seedling or a baby plant. The scattering of the seeds away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. Come, let's watch a video to understand the process of seed dispersal.
What was that? Were those your seeds? What just happened?
Yes, those were my seeds, and they are being taken away by the wind so that they can go to a new place and grow to be a healthy new plant like you.
This is getting interesting day by day. What is this called? And tell me some more about it.
Of course, this process is called seed dispersal, and in my case, it is called wind dispersal, as the wind blew my seeds away. If I had slightly thorny seeds rather than light ones, then maybe an animal passing by would have taken my seeds.
How is that?
Well, the seeds would get stuck to its fur and later would have brushed off at a new location.
And suppose we were living in water where there aren't any furry animals. Then what?
That's a great question. Then the seeds would have been dispersed through water. In this case, the seed would float on water and be taken to a new place to grow.
Wow! Even I want to swim. We are really interesting creatures on this planet.
So now you must have come to know who all helps the seeds to disperse. They are called the agents of seed dispersal. There are mainly 5 agents of seed dispersal. They are wind, water, birds, animals, and human beings. Let us discuss them one by one. You must be familiar with the different types of seeds which we discussed in our previous video. Some of the seeds such as cumin, ajwain or mustard seeds are so light that they can be easily blown by air. The seeds of cotton or dandelion have wing-like attachments that enables the seeds to be blown away with the wind. Hence, in this way, they are taken away from the parent plant and dispersed to distant areas. You all must have seen coconuts. They have a fibrous coating on them and also they are hollow from inside. Have you ever wondered why they have such a peculiar structure? Well, that is their special feature because being grown near water, their seeds have to be dispersed through water. You won't believe that coconuts are carried thousands of kilometers away from the parent plant in the water itself. Lotus is an aquatic plant, so its seeds are lightweight. Moreover, they are planted on a long stalk. This helps them to be dispersed through water away from the parent plant. Everyone loves to eat fruit, isn't it? So when the animals eat fruits, they throw out the seeds and the seeds are dispersed away from the parent plant. Some seeds like the kokilbar or dhatura have thorns or spikes on them, so they stick on the fur of the animals and are carried away and dispersed. Here, let me tell you how the process of seed dispersal led to the invention of Velcro. You all must be quite familiar with Velcro, the hoop and loop fasteners used in your shoes. Well, this happened in 1948. One day, George Menstrol came back from a walk with his dog. He was amazed to find seeds sticking all over his clothes and on his dog's fur. He wondered what made them stick, so he observed these seeds under a microscope. He saw that the seeds had many tiny hooks, which got stuck to clothes or fur. This gave Menstrol the idea of making Velcro. He made a material with similar tiny hooks that would stick. Velcro is used to stick together many things: clothes, shoes, bags, belts, and many more. What a way to take inspiration from nature. The next agents are the birds. The birds are always attracted towards colorful fruits. Fleshy fruits that have bright colors and small size that can be held in the beak of the birds are eaten and dispersed by them. Look at these colorful and bright berries. The birds eat these berries and spread the seeds to far off places away from the parent plant. Let's see what is the next agent in our list. It is dispersal by explosion. Did I say explosion? Yes, you heard it right. In some plants, seeds contained in pods burst on their own. When the pods dry, they burst open with force such that the seeds fall apart. What are the plants that disperse like these? The plants of peas and broom disperse their seeds in this way, that is the explosion method. Human beings are also the important factors or agents for seed dispersal. You must have visited a supermarket or a fruit or vegetable market with your elders. You must have seen variety of fruits and vegetables kept on a single shop. Have you ever thought whether these all fruits and vegetables are grown at a single place? We carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly or unknowingly. We bring the seeds of plants that we find beautiful or useful to grow and grow them in our garden. Later, the seeds of these plants spread to other places. Many years later, people may not even remember that these plants do not grow here earlier, that they were brought from somewhere else. Chilies form an important ingredient of many of our dishes which provides a tangy flavor to them. Do you know from where chilies came to our country? These were brought by the traders coming from South America. Let me share an interesting poem related to this. Did you know this? From South America long ago came a tomato, a potato, and a green chili. Do you know this? A cabbage came from Europe and also a pea. From America came a coffee bean and a green bhindi. They crossed the land, they crossed the sea. Do you know this? A mango sang, come in, an orange smiled inside its skin. Welcome to India, a banana said. The methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. Did you know this? Here is a video to give you some idea about geography of some common fruits that you eat daily. Isn't it interesting to know that the favorite fruits we relish every day are actually native to far-off countries? Let me share some more fun facts with you to further enhance your knowledge. Do you know one pomegranate can hold up to 1000 seeds? Strawberries are the only fruits that have seeds on the outside. Isn't it amazing? And there could be as many as 200 seeds in one strawberry. So, you can plant 200 more strawberry plants from a single strawberry. Wow! Children, we all feel that the plants are the nicest things on this planet. They never harm anyone. Rather, they are all eaten all the time. But there are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects, and even mice. The pitcher plant or nepenthes is one such plant. It is found in Australia, Indonesia, and Meghalaya in India. It has a pitcher-like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. When the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt! Come, let us see a video regarding this. You must be surprised to know that plants are also carnivorous. You see, the world of plant is so amazing. After learning so much about seeds and plants, it's time to test our understanding. Answer these questions in one word. Do you remember the various agents of seed dispersal? If yes, then mention their names. So children, at the end of this video, let us recall all the points which were discussed in the video. We discussed seed dispersal and its agents. We discussed about geography of some fruits and vegetables. Also about some amazing facts about seeds, and last but not the least, we also discussed about various types of carnivorous plants. I hope the video has helped you to enrich your knowledge about seeds. I will be there with you soon with some more interesting videos. Till then, take care and keep learning.